If you're watching this video, I congratulate you ahead because you are those few minutes ahead to have Plotagon subscription for life. Stay tuned. What's up guys, you're welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, I will show you how to get Plotagon subscriptions for life. And what we do here in Femtech Animation Studio is we purchase Plotagon products for you on your behalf. Okay, though it's a lot of tax on us, but my goal is to make you guys happy, and once you are happy, and I believe I'm also happy. Okay guys, first and foremost, I want to say a very big thank you to all our subscribers. Thank you for we have just hit 3,000 plus subscribers. This is another achievable milestone. Without you guys, it wouldn't have been possible. Thank you so much once again. All right guys, so today let's go into today's video. Now, in order for you to get Plotagon activation running on your phone for life, okay, you just need to follow my instructions. All right. First, I would like to let you guys know that due to numerous numbers of users that usually chat me up on WhatsApp and Telegram, we've set up an autoresponder to answer some of the questions when you chat me up. Okay. But nevertheless, once you follow the instructions, you get everything on track. Okay. And what I need to do, the first and foremost is you need to go on to Plotagon channel, YouTube channel. Okay, I'll leave a link in the description box. Go to their channel, watch any of their video, take a screenshot of it, like the video and comment. Okay, have a screenshot of that. Now, once you screenshot that, a link will be placed right away in the description box. Okay, or on the first comment you will see there. You click on the link, it will direct you straight to my WhatsApp. There I would in there you will need to send me your pictures, I mean the screenshot you've just done. Okay, and once you've done that, you also have those few steps to do. Once you've done those few steps, then we would actually purchase the Plotagon products for you. You have nothing to lose. It's all winning, winning, winning. Okay guys, and I want to let you know that this is not a promotional product from Plotagon. No, this is just a self help, okay, for everyone that actually wants to have access to Plotagon. Okay, you want to have access to Plotagon, so this video is for you. You really have nothing to lose. All is just winning, winning, winning. So please, if you find this video helpful, kindly give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share and comment. And one more thing, please note that we at Femtech Animation Studio, we don't hack. Okay, because if any YouTube creators teach you how to hack, YouTube would bring down that video. And for that reason, instead of hacking, we purchase the product from Plotagon store, okay, for you guys to use. So you can see whether we have thousands of users using Plotagon, and we are actually doing that, and we're actually doing subscribing for everyone. You can see there are very huge tags on us. So what you can do to support my channel is by liking my videos, subscribing and commenting. And now for you to also join my Plotagon Patreon group. Once you follow all the full instruction, you'll be added to the Plotagon Patreon group. All right guys, I can't wait to see you in my DM. Bye for now. As usual, one love.